So, coming back to the topic which we have selected for this webinar today, the topic is, as we all are aware, the latest HR practices and challenges. The latest HR practices and challenges in hospitality industry. This topic is very important, keeping in view the scenario of these days which have come up in our industry, and we are coping up with a lot of challenges these days. बहुत से challenges हैं हमारे सामने जिनमें कि हम meet कर रहे हैं और कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम challenges को से पार पाएं. Now I would like to call Mr. Anuj Abrol, my colleague. He is also an academician, having 18 years of experience of industry and academics. Mr. Anuj Abrol, to kindly give a brief on the topic. It's up to you, please.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Datta, for introducing me and providing me a platform to share my views. I once again welcome the distinguished panel members for this webinar. All of us know the uncertainty has crushed the economy. Employees are in stressful situations, and HR professionals are trying their best to keep everything in perspective and aligned. The sudden shift in work culture has brought new challenges for HR. The top priority for HR professionals is now crisis response and how to keep the employees engaged. Provide the right communication channels and tools for remote work. The HR major challenges that are faced by the HR post this COVID-19 outbreak is the first most important thing is the mental health and well-being. Employees being sitting at home, everything shut, restaurants shut, hotels shut, sitting at home for more than 6 months. Their mental health is not very good. They are anxious, they are stressed, they are depressed. Second most important thing is the uncertainty. There's a lot of uncertainty prevailing in the industry. There are a lot of job loss. People are uncertain about their future. And last but not the least is the employee engagement. The employees sitting at home, the HR's responsibility is to keep them engaged, make them feel that they're still part of the organization. As you can see, this webinar is not on the common HR challenges that are related to recruitment and training, performance appraisal, or keeping a balance between the management and employees. It is on the current crisis that we are dealing with. I am thankful to the panel for taking out time from the busy schedules and request them to enlighten us on the current scenario of hospitality industry. I now request Mr. Datta to please take the discussion forward.
Just to thank you, Mr. Abrol.
Sir.
As the present scenario is going on, we are also dealing with this thing.
Sir.
If I take my example, if we see on the profile, it says XIG.
Sir.
Like I used to supposed to join the cluster in one of the renowned organization.
Right.
But the students have to now to mold down. Students and the employees, they have to need to mold down with the present scenario. But
Sir.
Just to add on one thing, our industry is moving back. Functions are coming. Opportunity is there. They have to grab it. Whether the employee or the trainee, it doesn't matter.
Sir.
They have to mold themselves with the present scenario. Yes, this thing was not acceptable. Epidemics coming up. No one expected this thing.
Sure.
In my view, only one thing, being a training manager for the last, you can say 10 years, I belong to FME service. Please, student has to be motivated, know their skills.
Sir.
Functions are there, marriages are there, banquet is coming, and we require manpower. But a mold one, they have to be. As you said, 6 months they're at home. They might be getting some opportunity in the marketing sector or the MLM, you can say, a short term of money, but we need to motivate the student. Beta, please, you have to make your career in this line.
True, very true. Sir.
Right, Datta Saab, thank you so much for your views. Abhi, I would like to introduce first to all my respective panelists, as they have been in the industry since last long time. So, मैं चाहूँगा कि सभी का introduction एक बार, because there are a lot of people who are watching this and everyone must know. I would like to start with Mr. Rajiv Vadavan. Rajiv sir, good afternoon and welcome.
Hi, Good afternoon, Akash. How are you?
Fine, sir, fine. He's manager HR for Radisson Jalandhar. He is having a vast experience of 21 years in the hotel industry. And he is associated with Radisson Group since last long time. And he's also very much an active member for the social activities also, which I saw him in the last previous years. So thank you very much, Rajiv sir, for sparing your time.
Always welcome.
Now I would like to introduce Madam Vijaya Dutt
Hi.
Tripathi.
Hi.
Madam, welcome.
Thank you, Akash.
She is VP HR for Radisson Hotels for Shimla and Khajuraho. She has also been associated with the group since last 2005 and having a very, very good experience as far as the hospitality industry is concerned. She is also very much actively involved in the social activities also. Ma'am, thank you so much for sparing your time.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
I would now introduce Mr. Nikhil Datta. Datta साहब बहुत बहुत आपका स्वागत है. He is an hospitality
Thank you, sir.
professional and he is an ex-trainee manager for IHG. That is now Madam Pooja Verma. Madam, good afternoon and welcome. If you can hear me.
Yes, Akash, finally. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Most welcome, ma'am. And she is HR manager for Hometel Chandigarh. And before this, she was being associated with Clark's Group of Hotels. And she's also been a very, very active member as far as the local Chandigarh is concerned. I think a lot of people and a lot of people are in touch with her, and she has been very much involved in making the career of the people. So these
Thank
are
you,
the
Akash.
panelists at present we are having, and now I would like to share some of the questions with my respective panelists, and would like also to have their respective views on that. तो मैं शुरुआत करना चाहूंगा राजीव सर आपसे.
Yeah, Akash.
राजीव सर, व्हाट इज द जो इस समय सिनेरियो चल रहा है हमारे इंडस्ट्री में.
Yes.
Can you please highlight the current scenario of hospitality industry post COVID-19?
Yeah, of course. First of all, I would like to thank the SCMI and Vidya Jyoti. I have been long associations with them. I know when the college has been started long back, Mr. Singh was the first person who introduced me in their college. I attended so many campuses in your college. So pay my regards to Mr. Singh and Tejdeep as well. He is also very renowned person in the industry. So all the panelists which you have been called up today, they are expertise from their own field. They are specialized in the industry. Of course, Vijay Datta, Nikhil, all are my colleagues. All are my the professional friends. I welcome all of them on today. After a
Thank
long
you,
time to
Rajiv.
meet them. So
Thank you.
Akash, yeah,
Haji, yes, please. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So Akash, nobody was aware of that, and nobody had expect this pandemic will come. This COVID-19, which has been drastically demolished the industry. Not only the hospitality industry, you see, it is being affected all over the world in each and every corner of the industry. What do you say? The hospitality industry, the aviation industry, drastically demolish each and everything. If we talk about the hospitality industry, of course, yes, it has been now 7 months. The people are sitting at home. They were doing nothing. They were very much worried about their careers. So HR had a very played a crucial role in this time. 6 months was very difficult for all of us. The COVID-19, the today current scenario, you are aware of that. Again, Europe has been again lockdown being announced here in UK and France and Germany. So the current, yesterday I was going through the Times of India and the Tribune. The cases were again in Delhi. Today we have again crossed 1 lakh cases. Come back to the hospitality industry. As of now, being into the industry, I can expect the industry will definitely revive back. Revival will be there, but the extensive support is required from both of the side, the employer side and the employee side. So hopefully, I'm expecting by the end of this financial year, the industry would definitely uh, come back to their previous place. Hello. Yeah, Akash.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views. Now, Anuj sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Now I would like to ask, hello, sir. Now I would like to ask Ms. Verma a few inputs from her, please. A lot of students are looking for internships in OJTs. You know, there are students who are looking for training, internships, since their online classes have started and the curriculum is still running. When are the hotels offering them the same? By when they can expect the children to come back and start being the on-job trainings or internship programs?
Yeah, Anuj. See, I think this is the best time for the trainees since we all are reducing the manpower and payroll cost is getting affected. So I think even we have in Sarovar, we've started taking the trainees back because we can get the manpower at the least cost. Second, they will get that opportunity to work as an employee since we have not called every staff member back from their homes and most of them are on furlough and many have left because of their domicile, so it's a good time for the trainees to to be picked up. They can work for the whole time. The cost will be lesser as comparing to the like previous knobs, and they can get good opportunity to directly interacting with guests, and we are open for the trainees. I have in the last month we've taken approximately 15 to 20 trainees already, and I'm looking for the more, so it's a good time for them.
Right, thank you so much, ma'am. So that means the trainees would learn more as compared to the earlier times.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Now coming back to Madam Vijaya ma'am, I would like to have a question here. You can share your views.
Definitely.
Ma'am, what guidelines are laid by the government in terms for hotels and in terms, or you can say what SOPs has been decided in the hotels, keeping in mind the COVID-19?
Okay, now, see, first, I would like to thank you all so that we are together on the same platform. And so now about the guidelines, since guidelines were must and for hotels as well as government, because, travel and tourism is such a thing we cannot stop anybody from moving for a long time. So SOPs and guidelines are main. Now, if you come to, they both are now intermingled, like what the government had guided us, and we've incorporated it in our schedules. So first and foremost, a very important thing is the safety of the guest. It should not happen that like the guest is coming and he is not satisfied with the current scenario what the hotels have. So if I start is first is the general preventive measures that government has laid down. That is the main point of view is hygiene. So now the focus earlier, if you see, was aesthetically clean, but now the focus has shifted to clinically clean. So the hotels need to be clinically clean, and it starts right when the guest enters the hotel. So we have all the respiratory etiquettes in which you need to wear a mask. You while coughing, sneezing, you need to cover your mouth. And then if we come more, there are the PPE kits are there, and then we are following all the contactless procedures. contactless procedures like e-billing, scanning QR codes, so everything. And if we come down more to F&B, where we have not started the buffet yet. It is all we are more this room service is invited, like more of room service, and the recreational activities, the children area, kids area is still not operational. Though the government has given us a nod for pools and spa, we can operate that. And if we go to staff, more we've trained our staff more and more. The staff has been trained on this, and they've been the regular checking of their temperature, that's mandatory. And as per government norms, the Arogya Setu app is very important. And so if you see right in the guest area, or while the employee is checking in, we've kept these all oximeter. Then we are doing the temperature check, a proper log is maintained. So I think there are lots of things which I cannot sum up right now, but the highlights I've told you, that all these things are there. Again, I focus that the focus is on clinically clean, and the housekeeping has a tremendous role to play in this. Like we have UV radiation cleaning going on, all the staff has to be very trained. Then we have the isolation room. As per government norms, we need to keep a isolation room. So all these things are in the SOPs of the government as well as the hotels.
All right, Vijaya ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your
My
views.
pleasure. My pleasure.
मैम अब तो गेस्ट को भी थोड़ी सी हिचक होती होगी होटल में घुसने से पहले, because so much formalities he has to do.
Let me tell you, Akash, before we were opening on 18 September, we opened Shimla Hotel, and I'm telling you, we were very doubtful. कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, will the guests come? And right now, till date, you'll feel so happy that we've done the business which we've done, that is more than what we did in last year, October.
Okay.
So I think guests with the brand, the trust factor is also there. That's why we've seen that the guest is trusting a brand, because the trust factor is there. Okay, yes, they'll be taking care of me and I'll be safe. And 110% we are going out of the way for guest safety. So guest, I doubt, like which we asked few guests, so they have trust on us that we will take.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I would like to take Mr. Nikhil Datta. Datta साहब थोड़ा सा आपके views लेना चाहेंगे.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yes, Ganesh.
Sir, from Vijaya ma'am.
हाँ पूछो. Please carry on.
मैम क्वेश्चन, अभी मैम ने बोला कि हम एकदम स्किल्ड और एकदम ट्रेंड अपने एम्प्लॉइज रखेंगे.
Correct.
तो हाँ, तो एज अ मतलब अगर अभी ट्रेनिंग करने जाऊंगा, इंटर्न एज अ ट्रेनिंग करने जाऊंगा, तो हमें तो इतनी स्किल्स और इतनी टेक्निक्स मालूम नहीं है. तो मतलब वो तो सिर्फ आप कह रहे हो कि आप ऐसे स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉइज रखे, तो हमारे लिए तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचता कि आप हमें मतलब ज्वाइन करवाओ, मतलब ट्रेनिंग के लिए.
We will train you. तभी तो उसको ट्रेनिंग कहा जाता है. That we'll be training you, and I totally agree with Miss Verma. What she said is that you will get to learn more at this time. You will get a learning which an employee gets. So it is our job, it is our duty to train you and skill you with those trainings.
Ma'am, can you add on this one, my part, ma'am? Nikhil.
Beg your pardon?
Ma'am, can I add on your point, ma'am, to this question, ma'am? But your question, just student has asked one question, ma'am. Just to add on one thing, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Please add on, Nikhil ji. Please add on.
What's the student name?
गणेश.
हाँ, गणेश जो मैम कह रहे हैं बिल्कुल अच्छा कह रहे हैं. आपको प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा मिलने वाला है because this point, because employees are little less and you get a better opportunity also to learn skill your things also, or guest interaction, each and everything they will train, each and every persons are there always. Or this time learn to take the opportunity what you get.
Okay, sir. बट सर एक्चुअली अभी मेरे जो भैया थे वो ली मेरिडियन में काम करते थे, गुड़गांव ली मेरिडियन. हेलो.
Ganesh, we'll open
Yes,
this
yes.
question answer session now. Let's let
Okay, sir.
let this
Okay,
views
okay.
खत्म हो जाए, फिर हम लेते हैं, ठीक है?
ओके सर.
हाँ, 2 मिनट का थोड़ा सा मतलब let this finish, then we'll take the question answer session also. All right. So निखिल सर, आपके लिए मतलब जो थोड़ा सा था, the question which is there, that there is a lot of disagreement in terms of reviving the hospitality and tourism sector. What is your opinion on that?
So at seeing the present scenario, reviving a little bit, I have also a little bit difficult. Reviving हो रही है industry में, tourism sector back on track आ रहा है slowly, but we see the cooperation from the corporate level also or the owning person. जो properties है, जो owners लेते हैं, owners है, they have to spend a little money. They have to spend. Our team members, each and every person have worked very well. A little money need to be spent. I know it's a difficult part, but industry reviving back. Tourism is coming up. If you say when the Himachal was open, Uttarakhand was open, the road was jam packed, and the opportunity is best there. Wedding function are there, each and every is there. Rooms are coming up. If you take an example, Chandigarh only, Tri-City, the city is almost sold out. After Diwali, city is sold out, and manpower is there. But if you see, if you want to save the money, you take the trainees or the OJTs. That's a part one thing. But industry booming back, and how you promote the things, how you promote your property, that's most important. As ma'am also said, which is guest safety. That's a priority because guests want to have a safety in terms of housekeeping or welcoming or sanitization, and we will revive back. We will. That's a always think positive one thing, sir.
Definitely, students, this is a very positive words which has been said by Nikhil sir, that the industry is reviving very soon, and definitely there's no panic like that. So we are coming back on the track, and everything will be very good soon. So now coming back to Rajiv sir.
Yeah, Akash.
Rajiv sir, I would like अगर आप थोड़ा सा highlight करेंगे, how are the hotel coping up in terms of footfall? And again, the same thing which is coming up, that कब तक हम इसको थोड़ा सा ये मान के चलें कि चीजें जल्द normalize होंगी. Footfall को लेकर अभी क्या views हैं?
देखिए, as far as concerned of the footfall and increasing the business in the industry, as of now, the international travels is totally banned. The international flights, mean to say. Till the time international flights have not been resumed properly, it is been very difficult because the Goa region is one of the region which is totally dependent on the NRIs. As either it is in Chandigarh or you say the Delhi or the Punjab, it is totally dependent on the NRIs business. Till the time the NRIs don't move much, you don't expect much of the revival in the industry. Once the international flights will be resumed, definitely business will, as Vijay said and Nikhil said, I 100% agree with them. The revival would be a bit difficult, but the five fingers are not equal. That it will not remain the same. The COVID has to be ended somewhere. The people today is aware of that what is COVID, and they are start taking an initiative to overcome from this, COVID-19. They start taking precautions. What is required in the industry to work with them. So मेरे को लगता है कि ये जो financial year, we, as I said in my earlier conversation, till March 2020, it is bit difficult, but nothing is impossible. Impossible word is nothing. Everything can be possible with the teamwork. So as of now, the domestic business is much, domestic travelers are much as compared to international. So once it starts, definitely it will be more.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your views. In fact, this is very good for the students, for the future. Anuj sir.
And one more thing, we have to do multi-skillings in the industry. I said Pooja is also sharing her views. She said the layoff is everywhere, not in the hospitality industry. If you see the aviation also, so many sectors in IT also. So layoff is there definitely. The ownership is also been, you know, bit difficult for them to be survive. As for the 7 months, as I give you example, a small hotel is closed and somewhere around 7 crore rupees is being gone, and they have to 7 crore is a big amount for them. So these all things keeping in mind, we have to see the multi-skilling of the staff what we have present in the hotel or in the institution. So multi-skilling is very important.
Rajiv sir, I would like to share one thing. I remember I was with JP Palace Hotel in 2002.
Yeah,
Sorry,
great.
in 2000. So
Oh.
JP Group at that time, JP Palace Hotel Agra.
Right.
In 2000, they have started the concept of multi-skilling.
Mr. Bhaskar Sen was there.
Yeah, he was the general manager out there.
Yes.
Now he is not in India. तो 20 साल पहले की मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि उस समय वो मल्टी स्किलिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट ले आए थे. और उनकी जो हायरार्की थी वो भी उसी तरीके के से होती थी. मल्टी स्किल्ड supervisor, multi-skilled hospitality assistant, multi-skilled manager.
Exactly.
So that concept came 20 years back, and it's really very good, which is working out.
Definitely, it has to be.
Okay. Anuj sir, kindly.
Yes. Ms. Verma, in continuation to the earlier question, like you said, employees have been put on furlough. A lot of employees have been put on furlough. What the hotel chains are planning in terms of employee benefits, and how have they planned to retain those employees?
Furlough are there in every industry, as we all know. But to retain them, one practice that we've been following since May or June, because we were into quarantine facilities also. So we are doing it on rotation basis, so that at least at the end of the month, everybody is getting something in hand, maybe 15 days or 20 days as per the departments. This is one thing. And second, yes, there is a concern that I've been seeing between the employees. They are very much concerned about their safety nowadays, because there have been cases, positive cases, and guests are also being positive nowadays, and they are very concerned. Like I think salary is the second part now. First they are concerned about their security, then safety. So their insurances that we've done recently for all the employees, once they are insured, because it is a curable disease, as in, like, practically, if I say, I've also been positive month ago, it is curable. But the expense, if to be borne by the company, employees can work with the full heart. Plus they are not losing their jobs, because they are on the rotation basis and everybody is getting chance to work. And third is the environment we are providing nowadays. So everybody is panicking nowadays. See, if we have one case, so the staff members are worried, what next? And so frequent tests are the second thing. Like if you have some cases of positive around you, so you can do the tests to be a safe and secure environment around your colleagues. I think these are the things. Otherwise, we used to do so many activities earlier to retain them, to give them benefits. But nowadays, I think safety plays the major part. Safety and their health.
True.
And we are working on it. So
Right.
I think it plays the vital role.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
Akash.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am, for sharing your views. Now I would like to come Vijaya ma'am for next question. Ma'am, what is the employment scenario at present in hotels?
See, current scenario, I would say it is not
A very difficult one.
Yes. So it is not so good. But see, every cloud has a silver lining. We should not forget that. And it is reviving again. Yes, in between, there were very difficult times with our comrades, like many of them lost jobs. So what our endeavor is to provide employment to worst hit people who are really in need. We are providing them employment. Number two, we are reconsidering all those persons who had lost their jobs. And I think within less time only, they all will be reinstated, because the moment the business is running, like I told you, the Shimla case, the business is normal. So that means we require manpower, and we are getting experienced and skilled people. So we are taking them back. So yes, the scenario previously it was bad, but now it is coming onto the track, and hopefully everybody would be reinstated. And it is a moral duty also to help our comrades, those who are in need. So the scenario is improving. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for those positive lines.
My pleasure.
Nikhil sir, thoda sa, I would like to have one more question with you, because you have been an hospitality professional also. So,
Yes, sir.
any motivational aspect you would like to provide to the students who are willing to join HM courses?
So from my side, I can only say one thing. As the conversation is going on, the students need to understand the present situation, what is going on. Jobs are there, each and everything is there, but they have to mold themselves. The skills they have learned, they have to practice at home or whichever positions are there. They have to improve their skills. Firstly, the communication time, they have to improve. Jobs are there. Like I'm also doing one things. I'm also dealing with so many, my colleagues are in the hospital industry. Requirement is coming up, but student main one thing, first is the communication skills. Second, their job knowledge, their attitude means the attitude. They have to do things in. And why not? Students can get the job also, but they need to understand one thing, they have to mold themselves. See in the present scenario, they have to mold. My colleagues to the panel also, they know it better way also. But the students को आपको college का support तो चाहिए चाहिए. Vacancies are there, but आपको ही push करना पड़ेगा from the college side also. The students को mold करना पड़ेगा. और this is a very good platform. ठीक है, whatever the COVID has done the loss. But in COVID also, the skills they can inert themselves, they can go on that track. Try to grab the opportunity, whatever the opportunity they're getting. Try to grab it. Multi-skilling is the most important thing at this moment of time. Multi-skilling. Like myself, belong to service line. I know my skills. You have to mold yourself. That's the thing. Yes, Akash sir, what you say about
That's
that?
very true, very true. Students, as Mr. Datta has discussed, see, the jobs are there. We are dealing in these things. And in fact, personally, if I tell, I got around 20-30 messages daily as far as the job in the market is concerned. कि housekeeping के लिए लोग चाहिए, F&B के लिए चाहिए, kitchen के लिए चाहिए. So there are jobs, no problem for the jobs. थोड़ा सा जरूर वो है, but it is not like बहुत ज़्यादा panic नहीं है market.
May I button?
Yes,
Nikhil?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I would like to add on this. During the lockdown also, when I was visiting the social sites, I saw at least 30 to 35% vacancies at that time also, because many hotels were upcoming, and I saw vacancies. So I cannot say that there is no employment in future, because as I stated in the beginning, that travel and tourism, we cannot stop it. Today when there was a lockdown, I think you and I, we all were thinking, yaar jaise lockdown khatam hoga, kahan jaye, where should we go? Somewhere we wanted to go for recreation or something. So same happens like tourism, we cannot stop for long, and employment will always be there in this sector. Thank you.
मैम जस्ट टू ऐड वन थिंग, मैं कैन यू गाइड अस वन थिंग, जब से लॉकडाउन से हटा था हिमाचल में एंट्री स्टार्ट हुई थी, आई होप होटल मस्ट बी सोल्ड आउट.
yes I to see we were planning that ठीक है, जो हमने बजट बनाया था वो बनाया था, ठीक है वीकेंड पे ऑक्यूपेंसी बढ़ जाएगी, अदरवाइज 8 to 10 rooms. But to our surprise, we were very happy. It
Yes.
was completely sold out, and as you told that Kalka Shimla highway was packed. So
Yes.
it was a surprise and a glad thing for us. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone, every respective panelists for sharing your views and giving such an important, such a valuable time for this webinar. Now, I would like to open the house for the mutual discussions. If any of you would like to share any views on any of the topics, so most welcome, sir. Rajiv, sir,
Yeah, Akash.
if you want to share something with the students, your views on any topic, something. या कोई mutual discussions अगर आप लोग if you wish to do so, the house is open for you.
It has always been, open for, it's as Vidya said, and Pooja said also earlier, the institute plays a very crucial role in the, shape up of the career of the students. So in this even pandemic situation also, the faculty has to play a very important role to motivate them. The scenario will not be same forever. It will be definitely overcome from this pandemic situation after some time. But the one thing they have to do is very important: the hard work and the dedication which is required for this industry, not to left at all. Even they are sit at home for ideal also. They can do practices in such a manner. If someone wanted to go to kitchen, they can cook the food at home also. If someone has to do a passion of cleaning, he can make his room also. So which ultimately after doing practice, they can easily be in set up in the industry. They can easily come back to the industry. So the motivation is very much required from both of the sides, the employee side and the employer side, both.
Sure, sure, sure. All right. Any questions from any one of our audience? Ganesh, you were asking something. Ganesh, you are there? Any other questions from any one of us?
Hello everyone, my name is Rupak Mohanty.
Yes, Rupak, please, please.
So I have a question for Pooja Verma ma'am.
Pooja ma'am, there's a question for you, please. From the
Ma'am, what precautions you are taking for our trainees? Although I have completed my training, but I want to know what precautions you are taking for our trainee and staffs in this scenario.
Okay, Gautam, right? Your name is?
Rupak Mohanty.
Okay, Rupak. Okay. See, Rupak, there is no differentiation between the trainee or an employee. So the precautions are same. Whatever precautions my employees would be taking, my trainees would be taking the same precautions. The PPE kit and the service and front areas, the gloves, the face shield, and everything. So these are same for everyone. And we being we are training them how to do that, when to use gloves and when to throw them, how to do the services in the rooms and everything. So they are same. And I think there is a prescribed list for even for the individuals, what are the precautions required.
Okay,
I hope you got your answer.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
all right, anyone else? See, students, this is a very, very good opportunity for you all to ask the questions. Kindly share your whatever there is in your mind so that you can get the correct answers about your future prospects.
Sir, I have one more questions to Nikhil Datta sir.
Please, Nikhil sir.
Sir, Nikhil sir, you hear me?
Yeah,
Sir,
I can hear you.
So what qualities you are looking for a good staff, a good employee? What qualities?
Qualities are, I can only say one thing. Have you know the word attitude?
Yes, sir.
Just type it attitude word. Okay, ATTITUDED.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay,
Sir.
attitude.
Yes.
You will get the answer.
Okay, sir.
That's the one thing that completely say 100%. We see, firstly, we require your 100%. Your knowledge is secondary one thing. Firstly, your attitude towards the present scenarios working out. Okay, you should be presentable. You should have the knowledge. You grooming each and everything. The first one thing, and second, your mold one situation. गुड है, हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचो, जॉब
Yes,
है
sir.
इंडस्ट्री में,
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
नॉट टू गो बैक साइड. एंड व्हाट्स योर स्किल बेटा?
The
What's
F&B
your
service. F&B service.
service? Please keep on practicing it at home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever skill, like you want to go in the wine section, on the food section, whatever things, आपका
Yes, sir.
बहुत टाइम पर टाइम है, बहुत टाइम था आपके पास. Grab the knowledge,
Okay, sir.
do the study, do the learn.
Fine, sir.
Any other question, beta?
So what is more important, sir? So what is more important, knowledge or skills?
Beta, this time multi-scaling.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Mold one thing, mold yourself.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Just
Thank you,
grab
sir.
the opportunity, whatever the opportunity, getting it from
Yes,
the
sir.
whatever. Please
Yes.
grab the things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any other questions, please?
Nikhil, this side Abhishek. I just want to know what is the scenario of high-paid job in industry.
How much salary you
No, just common discussion. So it was in my mind.
Hey, what sorry, Abhishek, what's your area of interest?
No, refer interest in the scenario, high-paid job like a manager level.
But at what level of job you are thinking?
Or middle management.
Huh?
Middle management.
Management trainee or what you're saying?
नहीं मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग नहीं करना, बोला मैनेजर या सीनियर मैनेजर.
हाँ तो बेटा नहीं, आपका डिपार्टमेंट क्या चॉइस है? डिपार्टमेंट
मैंने पूछा, मैंने कहा एक कौन है वो बता दो.
हेलो हेलो
Mr. Anup Tiwari, you are most welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sir, can you give us your introduction, please?
I'm very thankful to you and Nikhil, Mr. Nikhil Datta. I'm Anup Kumar Tiwari. I'm from Calcutta and heading PLS group of hotels as a learning and development head, entire group. So I'm very close to Mr. Nikhil. He told me, and I have seen the flyers about your program and very effective programs. And since last 19 years, I'm working with the industries. Okay. So around 12, 13 years with the learning and development, teaching, and around 7 to 8 years with the operations. And different organizations in Oberoi, GP Palace Agra, studying holiday resort and different organizations. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
जी बहुत आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पे. You are most welcome. और आपका जो तजुर्बा है वो वाकई में हम लोगों के बहुत काम आएगा. ठीक है, आपका जो experience है, the students will be blessed and we all will be really we all are thankful to be with us on this panel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Just I'm enjoying your session, all session.
Great. Any questions? Any other questions from anyone? Rupak, are you clear with your questions?
Yes, sir, absolutely, sir.
All right. Any other student, please, if you have any queries in your mind, you are having a very experienced people with you. And you can share you can ask your queries if you have any in your mind. Please come up. So I think there's no one now. All the things are. I'm really very much thankful from the core of the heart of the Vidya Jyoti University for having you people in our panel, and the way you have spared your time. It is really something which is very special for us, for this college, and for the blessings for the students also. With this, I would like to end the session, and all the best to everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Rajiv sir. Thank you, Vijay ma'am. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. And thank you, Mr. Nikhil. And thank you, Mr. Anuj. And also to the organizing team who has helped us to organize this beautiful, वेबिनार इसमें बहुत ही मतलब टीम है हमारी जिन्होंने काम किया है. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू ऑल द पीपल फॉर दिस. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everybody. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you, HMI team also.
Stay
Thank you.
safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.